Hi learners, welcome to online video lecture. So in this video, we discuss about the TCP state transition diagram. So in the previous video, we have discussed about the different services of TCP and features of TCP and how does TCP makes the connection between the source and receiver, format of that is a header format of TCP and so on. So in this video, we have only mainly concentrated about the state transition diagram. That is the connection process and termination process uh, and data transfer between the TCPs are modeled as a state diagram, like in the digital electronics, state transition diagram. So to keep the all the record tracks of different event happening in the TCP connection, this is the connection establishment, connection termination, and data transfer. The TCP software is implemented as a finite state machine. This finite state machine enables us to understand the different process done by the TCP in the pictorial manner, that is diagrammatic manner. So before to see about the diagram of state transition of diagram of TCP, we have to know the what are the different states uh, or different terms of this state used in the TCP. So these tables shows the different states of TCP, that is transmission control protocol. So left hand side shows the states of this TCP. Right hand side shows the meaning of that state. So first closed state. State is closed means there is no connection between the sender and receiver. And if the state is listen means that passive open is received. The server is waiting for an incoming call. Next, SON send test. This is the state. Actually, SON is nothing but uh, synchronized sequence number. I already studied in the previous slide. This SYN field is in the TCP header format. So shortly, SON is SYN sent. This state is denotes the application has started to open the connection, and SYN received means that a connection request has arrived and it is waiting for acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means ACK. Then established state means that connection is established, the data transfer is progress. That is it. It means that the normal data transfer of state. Next, FIN. FIN wait one. Actually, FIN is the field of TCP header. It is used to release the connection. So FIN is used for release the connection. So FIN wait one state is means that the application has finished. The application has said it is finished. So that first FIN is sent and it is waiting for acknowledgement. Then finish, that is FIN wait to state, means that it is waiting for all packets to die off, or it is waiting for acknowledgement to first finish receive. After the receiving of first FIN, it is waiting for second FIN. Then close wait state means that first FIN is received, for that FIN acknowledgement is sent, and it is waiting for application to close. Next, time wait field notes that wait for all packet die off, and last acknowledgement state means that second FIN is sent, waiting for acknowledgement. And the closing means that both sides have to decide that to close the connection simultaneously. These are the states used by the state machine of TCP, that is state diagram of TCP. So this is the state transition diagram used to understand the different process used by the TCP. So in this diagram, there are two lines between the different states. So the closed is the one state, listen is the one state. So these are the different states mentioned in the previous slide. So there are black lines and darker lines, and pink lines and the solid lines. So the pink lines are denotes the unusual event sequence, and it is marked by event or action pair. It is marked by event or action pair. The event can either be user initiated, just as call, connect, or listen, or send, or close, and it is in the form of segment arrival. Segment arrivals means that is SON, FIN, SEK. These are the segment arrival, and there is one timeout value to twice the maximum packet of lifetime. The action is sending for control segments. Control segments action is SON, FIN, and reset. That is RST. RST, FIN, and SON is control segment. It is indicated by dotted lines. These dotted lines. These dotted lines are control segments. So the diagram can be best be understood by first following the path of the client. That is the heavy solid line. So this is the path of the client. This is the client line. Then latter path of the server. First client, then server. This server line is denoted by dotted line. That is the connection to the server is denoted by dotted line, and client is denoted by solid lines. When the application on the client machine uses a connection request, the local TCP entity creates the connection record. That is a passive open. Connection record active open to create the connection record, marks it as being SON sent, SON sent state. So this state is SON sent state, and it is sends the SON segments. SON segments. Note that many connections may be opened at the same time on the behalf of multiple applications. So the state is per connection and recorded in the connection record. When the SON plus ACK arrives, TCP sends the final ACK of the three-way handshake and switches into the established state. Now the data can be sent and received. Data can be sent and received. When the application is finished, it executes the close primitive, which causes the local TCP entity to send the FIN segment and waiting for corresponding acknowledgement. So after the connection is established, it sends the FIN statement and waiting for corresponding acknowledgement. So when the ACK arrives, the transition is made to FIN wait 2, and one direction of connection is now closed. Now closed. When the other side closes to, when pin, that is FIN request is comes in, which is acknowledged. Now both sides are closed. That is closer to the one in the next one. Similarly here also to the closed one. Now both sides are closed, but TCP waits a time equal to the maximum packet lifetime to guarantees that all the packets from the connection have dead off, just in case of acknowledgement was lost. When the timer goes off, TCP deletes the connection record. Connection management from the server viewpoint. Server does not listen. That is, the dashed lines are denote the connection of server. So if the server does not listen and it is settles down to see who turned, that is who sent the request to the server. When SYN, that is SON statement comes in, it is acknowledgement and the server goes to the SON ACK state. That is SON ACK state. This is the data line. SON goes to the ACK state and it is waiting for acknowledgement received by the receiver. When the server SON is itself acknowledged, the three-way handshake is complete, and then the server goes to the established state. Now the data transfer takes place. After the data transfer takes place, the server will go to closed state to release the connection. So actually, state transition diagram is a pictorial representation of how the different mechanisms TCP, the different mechanism used by the TCP. So this is the diagrammatical view of TCP connections. Thank you.